Welcome to how to make rope. First of all, you'll need one of my formers, which is called a Viking knitter, and then 7 pieces of rope. The Viking knitter has got 8 slots in it, like a compass. And then you need 7 pieces of string, rather, because you're going to make the rope. 7 pieces knotted with a handover knot at the end, and you pop that in the center, and then you put 1 strand. You can use wool, you could use string. This is like a cotton string that you can use. You might be able to find, what else could you use? Jute, that's very good, the garden jute. So you pop 1 strand in each of the 7 holes, leaving a spare one. I always leave the spare one facing in front of me, facing at the top, and then as long as you can count to 3, you will be able to do this activity. That's the fun thing about it. So if you count from, if you're right-handed, I would go from this side, 1, 2, 3. If you're left-handed, I would go from this side, 1, 2, 3. But basically, we count 1, 2, 3, and then lift that piece of string from there to the open slot. Then we turn it the same way. I'm turning it to the left so that the slot that the purple one came from is now at the top. And then again, 1, 2, 3. Move that one from there over to there. Turn around. Have the slot pointing forwards again. 1, 2, 3. So as I said, anyone who can count to 3 will be able to do this activity. 1, 2, 3. And the most important thing to remember on this is to comb your jellyfish. I think this looks like a jellyfish. I'll show you what I mean. Might not be able to show you what I mean, but underneath all its little strings. So what I do is lift it up. Can't see that very easily, but comb it. Otherwise you have knots at the bottom, like I'm starting to get here. So if you comb your jellyfish every so often, so there we go. So that one at the top, 1, 2, 3. Keep going around. Very, very therapeutic to sit round a fire, sit in the garden, sit at home, do this watching the television. Lovely activity. So 1, 2, 3. Always turn it to the same way. So it doesn't matter. And then you'll eventually find that underneath, so underneath here, this is where your piece of rope is going to come out. And your piece of rope will look like a jellyfish, and then I'll show you. The piece of rope will eventually look like this, which was on your bag. So the bag that your Viking knitter comes in is the rope that you will end up making. And you've always got this former, and then you just add 7 bits of string each time. And again, remember that you just need to count to 3 and turn it. Enjoy!